What's going on, you wonderful weirdos? I am excited. I'm excited. Let me tell you why. We're going to provide a comic book with the most ultimate protection of all time for a very good cause as well. You've seen these things before through CGC. This is not how you protect a comic book. I am going to make my comic book disaster proof, possibly low caliber bulletproof, and then what we're going to do is we're going to beef this thing up, and then we're going to send it over to Remy Q Studios, who's going to try to crack into it for a wonderful cause. I'll link his description down below so you can get some more information on it. So what do we got to do? First thing we got to do is we got to build braces, and we got to build a mold, and then I got to pick a comic book that goes inside of it. This is going to be fun. Let's do this.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So our bracket and our mold is done. So the next thing we gotta do is prep our comic book for it. And we're gonna use silver coin number 1. There's a lot of hype about this book. Seemed to be very popular. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat up as much mass as I can inside the comic book, double bag it, seal it down, and start prepping this, because this will get laid into our resin, bulletproof resistant, whatever. Let's do it. the encasement of it. So what we did is we encased it, and you'll notice that there's some fracturing going on in here. That happened when I closed this down. It doesn't matter though, because what it is polycarbonate tempered safety glass and a polycarbonate. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to sink it into our resin. Our resin is not the bulletproof resin I thought I could get. It's a different type. The only difference is about 90% the same. The only difference is that this doesn't have a vulcanizing agent to it. Vulcanizing is when you make something turn kind of rubbery or absorb energy better. So I'm using a solid, this will make a solid mass. There will be no give to it. And then we'll get this out to them. So now we're just going to mix a bunch of resin together. So enjoy this song. encased almost 3 inches worth of resin. It's been bent by metal. It was a 9.8 going in. Let's see what happens. Now, I am not going to be able to get this in the mail, so there is a good chance right now as you're watching this, I am on the road to Remy Q's down in North Carolina. Can't like it. It's okay. I live Southern Virginia, so I think I'm just going to drive this down to you, Remy. I don't think I've messaged you, but I'm on the way. Also, stay tuned for the bloopers, because God knows this thing was a disaster from beginning to end. I learned so much. Like, you can't cut tempered glass. Like, I didn't know that. I thought glass was glass. Apparently not. I got some loud neighbors. Alright guys, that finishes this one. Be sure to check out Remy Q Studios. They're doing this for a cause, for cancer, on a 24-hour feed, I believe it was. But definitely the link is in the description. Get the details there. Cancer sucks, and that's okay, because so does this project as well. So it's kind of fitting, if you will. But that's okay. It's going down there, and they're going to crack it open. They're going to crack it open. I'm going to put some funny bloopers on here for you, don't worry. Alright guys, I got nothing else. That's done. My hands are sticky. I'm sweaty. I'm done. Bye. Damn it. It was... Yeah, it went right through.